All eyes on Facebook today as it reports earnings after the bell. Joining us now to discuss this is Dan Costa, editor-in-chief at PCMag.com. Dan, thanks for joining us. Now, Facebook's a free service, but the company's done well with advertising. How much more revenue can it squeeze out of its users?
That is the question, right? The knock on Facebook has always been that, it was an ad-based business, and would it be able to solve the mobile question? The thing is, it's really done that. It's done that extraordinarily well. As everybody moves to their mobile devices, Facebook has become one of the dominant mobile marketers out there. I think 62% of all of its ad revenues are mobile now. So it solved the mobile problem. I think that's the biggest challenge it had, and it's really pretty impressive.
So some analysts are raising concerns of a slowdown. What's your take on that?
I mean, there's definitely the thing about Facebook's ad business is by solving this mobile problem, they've done it in an unusual way. They're adding value, they're adding new ad units, they're innovating in that space, but they're not actually delivering more ads. They're delivering better ads. So I definitely think there's going to be a limit to what they can do in that area, but there's plenty of areas for Facebook to grow into. I've been waiting for them to move into the e-commerce space, which is white hot, and everybody's been pushing them to do. That's an area that could have potential growth into the future.
And Dan, I'm glad you brought that up because advertising is currently the lion's share of sales for Facebook. But what are some of the other areas, some of the other business segments, growth drivers that investors should be queuing into for Facebook?
Yeah, I definitely think it's mobile commerce is going to be huge. Mobile commerce, e-commerce, they've got this audience. The payment systems are really developing. You see what Apple's doing with Apple Pay. There's a lot of opportunities internationally for Facebook to continue growing. But I think the e-commerce segment is the one that's going to be most lucrative and also in a lot of ways toughest to solve. But I think they're definitely going to make a strong play there.
And given the fact that we saw Twitter earnings after the bell on Monday, how does Facebook compare to Twitter? And would Twitter benefit from following Facebook's model at all?
Yeah, the thing about Facebook is that, after being criticized for not having a mobile strategy, they tweaked their formula. They created some new ad units that are really burning up the market. There's no one that offers mobile ad offerings as well as Facebook does. And if you look even in the video space that they're moving into, they've got a new video ad unit that appears in people's feeds. Twitter just doesn't have anything that innovative right now. So at this point, Facebook's leading the way.
Well, Dan Costa, thanks for joining us. We'll certainly have to see how those numbers shake out for Facebook. Thank you for watching. I'm Morgan Brennan. Have a great day.